welcome back. This is my channel, The Flavorful Home. I have something new today. Not a how-to or a cooking or a baking video. A introduction. I've never done a formal introduction, and I'm going to let you know about a new little twist on my channel. As I said, my name is Paula. I have been married for 41 years to the most wonderful man who stole my heart at 15 and still has it today. He's not given it back to me. We have 6 children, and we are blessed because I can say that they are each other's most best friend. They are all very close, and that's a gift to have 6 siblings, all of them very close to each other. We have 2 granddaughters who are so close in age to the last 3 that they're more like siblings than nieces, and they're always together. I have been making lunches and waking kids up for school since 1986, and in 6 weeks that's coming to an end. My baby is graduating high school. Time flies. I can't believe that I'm starting another chapter. It goes very quick, so cherish each season, from toddler, kindergarten, the school plays, the sports. It goes by like a dream, my grandma would say, and it does. But the beautiful thing is that we have memories, and memories are the fuel for the heart. So we're looking forward to the next chapter in our lives. I have been cooking and baking since I was young. At my mother's side, watching my grandma, my aunt. We're a family of cooks. My husband cooks, my kids cook. It's a passion, and I love feeding people. I love watching people enjoy what I created with my hands. Cooking meals for loved ones and friends. It's such a form of intimacy. You're putting yourself in that dish, and I love doing that. I've been gardening in some form or another just as long. My parents gardened. They were avid gardeners. We always had one. I come from a neighborhood where I grew up in Brooklyn for the first 25 years of my life, and then my husband and we moved to Southern California. My mother is still there in the home my father grew up in. And in Brooklyn, you'd look out that back window and you would see all the neighbors' backyards with the hilled rows of tomatoes and eggplants and peppers and the vines of seals, which were those long squash that look like baseball bats. So I've always gardened. Recently I've taken up canning, which I really like. A lot of our grandparents, great-grandparents, and great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents canned. And it's making a big comeback, which is awesome considering how prices are starting to climb. Canning is a great way to, when a sale is going on, grab what you can and preserve it. And I love doing that. No grocery store has on their shelf anything that'll taste better than what you have canned yourself. Jams, oh my. Pie fillings, apple butter. I can broths, beans, and you're controlling what you're putting in there. There's no unpronounceable words on the label. It's all by your hand. So I am loving canning. Crafting. If I see something I like, I try to do it myself first. So I'm a big crafter. And these are some of the things you'll find here. I will show you a dish or a sweet. I will can something. I will paper craft. And so that is the variety of things that will be here. I will walk you through my garden as it progresses. And the new little twist, something called the flavor of the day. On Wednesdays, I am going to share a little short, and it'll either be a quick and easy meal or dessert, a gardening tip, or a quick card or tag making how-to, so that maybe you can give it a shot too. I hope you enjoyed this little introduction. If you haven't subscribed, I sure hope you will. There's always something going on in the Flavorful home. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, go create something wonderful. Bye-bye.